Something wonderful is happening. Do you feel it? Do you feel the possibilities that from this moment on there can be a change? Your entire life can change in the blink of an eye, in the time it takes for a decision to be made, for the words, "Yes, I want that," to appear in your brain. Welcome. You are powerfully and wonderfully made. Now you are watching a video that is showing real people having a real life. A real good life, as a matter of fact. What we want for you is for you to remember when you used to see people having a good time and a good life, and you would think to yourself, hey, that looks pretty good. I think I will do that too. If we can get you to remember your dreams of what your life could be, we can help you have a life that is what you used to wish it was. And truth be known, you still wished it was. It's just that you do not believe as much as you used to. Now, believe again. Dream again. Let your heart and your mind remember. The program this video is about is called the We Are Here program. It is a program designed by very brilliant humans and the endless knowledge of AI, and there has never been anything like this program before, this time right now, that can rocket you to the kind of success that dreams are made out of. Your dreams of financial security, of having nice things, of achieving a success, of having the money to do what you want, when you want, while doing something you are proud of, that also benefits the people that you share your business with. The We Are Here program, because it is time for you to not only get to dream again, but to have the dreams that you have to come true. Something wonderful is happening. Can this really be your life? Can you really have all this? Yes, you can. Join us, because yes, you can, my friend.